Unlocking your schedule, understanding time slot available. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's incredibly useful in both personal and professional contexts: time slot available. This might seem straightforward, but understanding its nuances can really enhance your communication skills, especially when scheduling meetings or planning events. So, let's break it down together. Time slot available refers to a specific period during which someone is free or an event can be scheduled. It's a chunk of time that has not yet been claimed or booked by any other activity. This phrase is crucial in planning and organizing, ensuring that activities do not overlap and that participants can attend without conflicts. Understanding and correctly using the concept of available time slots is key to efficient time management. It helps in avoiding double bookings, ensuring that two events are not scheduled at the same time, maximizing productivity. By organizing tasks within designated timeframes, individuals can focus better and achieve more. Enhancing communication, clearly stating when you're available simplifies the process of scheduling meetings, appointments, and events, making it easier for all parties involved. When you're trying to schedule something, stating your available time slots can make the process smoother. Here's how you can use it. Offering options. Instead of asking when someone is free, list your available time slots to narrow down the options. Setting boundaries. Clearly define your availability to prevent overbooking or conflicts in your schedule. Being flexible. While it's important to communicate your available times, showing some flexibility can help in finding a mutual agreement more easily. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, time slot available. By understanding and utilizing this concept, you can improve your scheduling efficiency, avoid conflicts, and communicate more effectively with others. Whether you're planning a meeting or organizing an event, knowing how to articulate and negotiate time slots can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you manage your time more effectively.